फॉलो भी करते हैं। और अगले प्रश्न तक बढ़ेंगे। अंकुर जी, कृपया आप अपना प्रश्न पूछिए।
Hello, sir. Coming directly to my question, 13 states already have their own MyGov website, which is in their own regional language. No doubt that MyGov is a very brilliant effort, and if one person spends the time, all of his time, in fact, on the website or on the app, he or she doesn't need to go anywhere for any piece of information regarding the government or the policies or the schemes, anything. Sir, is there any work in progress for the remaining states also? What other measures are being taken up by the MyGov to reach the larger audience? Is there anything being done in this direction so that almost all the citizens can avail the benefits of MyGov, sir?
Thank you. In fact, very relevant question, and this is actually the top priority for us, because in MyGov, what we also do is do deep level analytics. And when we do analytics, we try to find out where our users are coming from, who are the people who are engaging with us the most. So because of the fact that we have so far been active mainly in English and Hindi, our engagement levels are also from Hindi speaking states or the states in which the regional languages are not that prominent. That means that our engagement levels in the southern states and the eastern states is not to a level to which we would like, and we have been consciously trying to boost up that part of it. And the only way that can be done is by having regional content by ensuring that our content is available in various languages. So recently the COVID page, the MyGov COVID page jo hai, corona.mygov.in, that we have enabled in multiple languages. That's already available in I think around 12 Indian languages, and we are working on a plan to move on to have our entire interface in all Indian regional languages. And we have estimated that around 12 to 13 languages, if we enable, we will be able to cover 95% of our demographic population. So that is the immediate objective. To how to do that, we need translators, we need people who are adept in both English and the regional language. So very soon you will see some progress in this direction, because without that true citizen engagement will not be possible. तो हम आपकी बात से बिल्कुल सहमत हैं। रीजनल लैंग्वेज में तमिल, तेलुगु, मलयालम, कन्नड़, बंगाली, मराठी, गुजराती, राजस्थानी, ये सब लैंग्वेजेस MyGov पे बहुत जल्दी आएंगी। हमने ये प्रयास किया था कि हम स्टेट इंस्टेंसेस लॉन्च करें। 13 स्टेट इंस्टेंसेस have been launched, and these state instances are in their own languages. Assam MyGov instance is in Assamese language. So our strategy primarily was to ensure that all states have their state instances, and then we exchange information and they do the translations for us. So ultimately it has to be authentic. So that was the criteria, and we are already ready to launch Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry. All these portals are ready. We are just waiting for a green signal from the respective state governments to press the button and launch it. Otherwise, backend पे सब कुछ हो चुका है, banners बन चुके हैं, content बन चुका है, everything is ready. And we hope that by the end of this financial year, हम लोग कम से कम 20 से 25 states में complete कर पाएंगे MyGov. So that is the objective of going regional and expanding our outreach to enable the extent of outreach of MyGov to every citizen of this country.